In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IBAN number with Bank of America. It's an essential piece of information if you're planning to receive or send money internationally, and knowing where to find it is crucial. While Bank of America doesn't actually use IBANs for accounts in the United States, you'll need your account and routing numbers, along with the SWIFT or BIS codes for international transactions. Let's walk through the steps on how to gather these details quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open the Bank of America mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can find it in the App Store for iPhone users or in the Google Play Store for Android users. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your online ID and passcode. Make sure you have these credentials handy, otherwise you won't be able to log in and access your account information. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home screen displaying various account options. To proceed, tap either your checking or savings account, the one you intend to receive or send money with. This will lead you to a new screen showing your account balance and transaction history. It's essential to make sure you're working with the correct account, so take a moment to verify this. Now scroll down the screen until you see the option labeled Account Details. Go ahead and tap on it. This section contains a wealth of important information about your account, most notably your routing number and account number. These are the numbers you'll need for most domestic and certain international financial transactions. They are easily accessible in this section, so take note of them or use the app's convenient copy button to save them for later use. As we continue, it's time to find the SWIFT or BIC code. For this, you will need to exit the app and go to your web browser. Visit the Bank of America's dedicated webpage at bankofamerica.com/foreign exchange/SWIFT codes/. This page lists SWIFT or BIC codes based on your account type and state. For incoming US dollar transfers, you might see something like BUFAUS3N. If you're receiving foreign currency, another code might apply, such as BOFAUSEX. It's vital to select the correct code, so ensure to double check based on your specific requirements. These simple steps will help you gather all the necessary information for making international transactions. Remember, while IBAN numbers are not used for US accounts directly, your account and routing numbers alongside the SWIFT or BIC codes will serve a similar purpose for cross-border transfers. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful.